phone.
Here they come. Target's still up. See you in hell. Planted. Time to kick this sucker off.
You may want to instruct your men to access...
Dead and gone.
Good work out there, Strike One.
Welcome to XCOM HQ, Commander.
Without so much as a scratch.
Commander, I realize...
We've still got some room to grow up here. But if we really want to expand our facilities, we're going to have to start excavating beneath the base. Unfortunately, the deeper we go, the more it's going to cost. Work crews on their way to begin construction. I'll send word when the new facility is operational.
Commander, we've picked up multiple...
Prepare for deployment, Strike One.
The area of engagement for this mission will be in India.
Central, this is Big Sky. Here they come. Got a lot of heat on me. Moving to firing position.
Mission accomplished.
To the Situation Room. Commander?
We will be in touch.
Commander, to the Situation Room. Commander? Contact detected.
hand for the next mission. It looks like the aliens went down in a sparsely populated area.
We're just north of the crash site. Strike 1 is in position to engage.
Loud and clear, Big Sky.
Bye-bye. Batter up.
Chalk up another one.
An exemplary performance. I'm still having a hard time.
Additional workshop online.
The new engineers arrived this morning, Commander. We're always glad to have more help down here.
I expected that would be a priority research task.
Commander, we're receiving a transmission from the Council. Coming on screen.
Excellent. We look forward to seeing your progress.
This operation will be in Canada. UN official Peter Van Dorn and his entourage.
You're the team here to get Van Dorn.
Time to
That
kick this
alien
sucker
is
off.
unusually human in it.
Eat this! Not feeling so good.
You the ops team? Get over here!
We have a new objective.
Time to kick this sucker off. Enemy in sight.
Thank God you're here. I'm still breathing, but I can't say the same for a lot of my boys. Let's get out of here before any more of those things show up.
Commander, we should get the VIP back to the Sky Ranger as soon as possible.
I don't know what outfit you're from.
Strike 1. You've got a wave of X-rays closing on your location. Eyes up.
Incoming fire! Go.
can move.
Eyes on target.
Planted him.
What? No, what's happening? No, this isn't right. This isn't right.
I just wish I could have done more for my people. I lost some good men. I owe you one. Seriously. I wouldn't be here without your help.
VIP is safe and on board.
Well done. Now you just need to eliminate any remaining hostiles. Objective updated.
Llevar. Protect this one over.
Are you learning Icelandic?
Yeah, I'm trying to teach him, like, with being here.
So basically, the only thing I know about Icelandic is nigger.
How
Come on!
You lost the VIP.
Such a shame. Perhaps we can improve our equipment somehow, so this doesn't happen again.
Remember, we...
Commander, we're tracking several reported abductions via...
This is Big Sky.
day, another success. Commander, our satellite is prepped and stand.
Satellite uplink facilities at maximum capacity. Incoming transmission.
We are extremely impressed with the progress of the XCOM project thus far, Commander. Your recent results were beyond our expectations.
Coverage now available over Egypt. Power generator complete.
I'm receiving you. We'll monitor that contact, but I don't think it's related to the UFO activity.